to create a premium carousel like this, all you need to do is start with the solid layer. We'll keep it as white. Perfect. On top of this, let's add 10 shapes. For that, going over here, select the rectangle tool. Let me make a shape like this. Perfect. Let's simply take 10 copies of this. Nice. Selecting the top one, press on P for position. Let's take it on the right. Now selecting all of them, going to align. Over here, let's distribute them horizontally. Perfect. There should be a little gap. So I will again position this on the right. Again selecting all. Let's distribute this. Perfect. This looks cool. Now I have 10 images over here. Let me drag and drop this one by one. Okay. Let's press on S. Scale this down a bit. Let me drag this up over here. Going to track matte. Let's connect it to layer 9. Again press on S and scale this down. Let me zoom in a bit. Perfect. In the exact same manner, you need to do it for the other 9. One thing you need to ensure that along with track matte, you're also parenting these layers to the shapes. Like this. Once you track matte all the layers, again go to the top in new, add a null object. And this time we have to ensure that we select all these shape layers like this and parent them to this null one. Perfect. Now selecting the null one, just press on P for position, add a keyframe at this point. Let's drag it all the way to the right, something like this. Now going to 4 seconds. Let's drag it to the right. Don't worry about it, we'll adjust it later. For now, we'll just create this animation. Perfect. Now again selecting this, press on S and let's scale this up. Okay, this looks good. Now let's create a new comp. We'll call this as main. Let's drag our carousel over here. Nice. Let's go ahead somewhere at this point. Perfect. I think this could be bigger. I will do one thing. In the scale, I'll make this around this much. Now again going back over here. Perfect. Now selecting the carousel, let's go to the top, select the ellipse tool. Let's make a shape like this. Perfect. Selecting the mask, let's take a copy of this by pressing on Command D. Press on V and just drag this down over here. Perfect. Now going to a drop down, choose subtract. Again over here, choose subtract. Nice. Now again going to carousel. Let's select a white solid, hide it over here. Coming to main, just paste it. Drag this down. Nice. So at the beginning, let me go to null one. Let me drag all of them to the right like this. Let me see over here. No, it's still visible. So let me drag this further ahead. Perfect. Now selecting both the keyframes, press on F9 to easy ease. Going to the graph. Let's keep it in the center. Let's go to main. Nice. Another way to animate the graph could be going over here. You keep this one on the left like this. Let's see. Perfect. Going over here, if you want to make some subtle changes, you can just select this point, even this one, drag this little up. Perfect. Nice. Let's have a final look. Perfect. I'm going to do one thing. At this point, I'm going to drag it all the way to the right. Like this. Let's see. Beautiful. So that's it guys for this tutorial. I hope you would have understood how to create a premium carousel like this in After Effects. If you loved this, let me know in the comments what you would like me to cover next time.